No, yell. Those are not our tracks. They're down the field here.
Someone's walking. I don't know if it's a cow or what.
No, because there's no cows back here.
You see that old big opening right there?
Yeah. Something like that. There's two more tracks.
That's what I said earlier.
Bro, don't release it because the snow just came down a few days ago.
But it snowed last night like 2 inches.
Yeah, 2 inches. That could have been last night. Or it could have been a few.
No, it had been
Yeah,
last
it
night
had to
because
be
it
last night.
dusted over. I don't like this.
Okay, I'm gonna get this on camera. I'm gonna get this on these tracks. Okay, these tracks are not ours. See those tracks? These are not ours. See those two tracks split up? These are not ours. Because there's no other kid around here who has permission to go into these woods. We're hearing footsteps. I don't know if you guys can hear them.
I think we're being circled because someone's right there and someone's right
Yeah, I know it's fucking weird. Okay, I'm gonna end the camera.